Traders have become less active ahead of the publication of the FOMC meeting minutes. They took a pause in buying the greenback. It's possible that investors do not want to buy the US dollar anymore and are now waiting for reasons to sell it. Let us find out what sentiment prevails today in the market. In the United Kingdom, inflation slackened more than expected to 6.8%. Analysts had anticipated a slowdown to 6.9% from a 7.9%. Despite this fact, the pound sterling continues gaining in value instead of falling. The fact is that the drop in inflation allows the Bank of England to pause its monetary policy tightening. Yesterday, it became obvious that the US dollar had lost its upward momentum, at least for that moment. Traders are ignoring macroeconomic reports, looking forward to a correction, and they are just taking into account the data that corresponds to the technical picture of the market. If the greenback needs a correction, traders will focus only on reports that may cause a decline in the currency. For instance, today's data from the Eurozone could boost the euro and the pound sterling. The fact is that the decline in industrial production slackened to 1.2% from a 2.5%, whereas economists had expected a faster drop of 3.7%. The news allowed traders to transfer money from the US dollar into the euro. Judging by market behavior, investors are likely to search for reasons for the US dollar's depreciation, ignoring any factor that may cause a rise. In addition, the US macroeconomic figures may only add to the greenback's fall. The fact is that industrial production is likely to show a faster drop of 0.7% compared to the previous one of 0.4%. Let us take a look at the trading chart. The euro-dollar pair stagnated near the low of the correctional cycle. The support level is located at 1.0900, where the volume of short positions dropped, and traders will get a signal of a further decline in the pair if the price settles below 1.09. Otherwise, the euro may leave the sideways channel and rebound. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair rebounded just after it touched a new monthly low. However, the rise was hardly noticeable and the volume of long positions decreased near 1.27, thus putting stagnation. The volume of short positions will rise again if the price settles below 1.2650. In the event of this, the existing correctional cycle will continue. However, the current stagnation may lead to a fluctuation around the levels of 1.27 and 1.28, as it was seen earlier. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.